What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. I am so excited because I finally have my Apple Watch. My Apple Watch arrived. It is the new Apple Watch Series 4. My dad gave me this for my birthday. I wanted it more than anything, and it is here, and we are going to open it. And I love you guys because this has been in my possession for 24 hours and I have not opened it because I wanted to share this moment with all of you. I know. Apparently I really love you guys a lot and I wanted you guys to see my excitement when I open this. So without further ado, let's open it. So I want to first start off by saying that wow, Apple, your packaging, and you know, I'm really picky when it comes to paper, and the packaging is just so beautiful. I don't know if you guys can see that it says, look at that. Wow guys, this is beautiful. So it is the Series 4. I was gifted the gold aluminum case and the pink sand sport band. I did get the sporty one because, you know, I'm really into my fitness and I just, you know, whatever. So it includes the Apple Watch band, charging cable, and USB power adapter. Supports LTE and UMTS. I don't know what that is. Let's just open it, okay? I'm gonna like try and show you guys. I don't know how. Okay, so it's like, oh my god, this is so exciting. So watch me drop it. This packaging is beautiful. Wow guys, wow. I'm gonna show you guys a different angle just so you guys can see how beautiful this is. The packaging. It's honestly so dang beautiful. Like, wow. I'm like, okay, so let's just open it. I thought I was gonna be able to open it like holding it, you know, like for you guys, but I'm not able to do that. So we're gonna open it like this. This is just, oh my goodness. Oh wow, it's so pretty. So it comes, this is so far where I'm at. Has like a little felt type of cover. Oh my god. Okay, so this is, I guess, the actual watch, and it has like the red band. You know, it has the sporks, it has like the red thing. It comes in this little protective little case. And I got my dad got me the 40 mm size. So let's open it. Oh wow, so it's a pretty big screen, guys, like pretty big screen. This is how the back looks like. Wow. So I guess on my wrist it would be like, well, okay. Oh my god. And inside then we have the charging cable and outlet. So the band is pink because, you know, everything I own for some reason really needs to be pink. And let's see what's inside of the box. I can't sing. Oh my god, I can't open it. Dun, dun, dun. Wow. So dang pretty. I just love the details. Like, look, this is like a rose gold. I'm just literally just setting it up, guys. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. I need to get a protector for the screen because I'm really clumsy. You know, I'm pretty sure I put it on wrong. I was worried that the 40 was gonna be, you know, like just a little too big, but it looks really nice. I don't think I would have gotten a smaller size, I originally wanted the 32, but honestly, I'm really happy with the size that I was given. Are you guys ready for me to turn it on? Look how pretty it looks! That was a thumbnail. Okay, so for the purposes of this video, I will be turning it on like this. So I'm just keeping the side button pressed. iPhone and Apple Watch. Oh, I guess I need to connect my phone. Oh, look at us. We're so cute, babe. Okay, so let's... Oh, wow. That was really fast. So now we're gonna just hold up our phone to our Apple Watch, and that's how it's gonna sync. And our Apple Watch is paired. So we're gonna set up as a new watch because this is a new watch. On which wrist do you wear? I wear it on my left. Activating our Apple Watch. This may take a minute. Okay, so I guess this is now just accepting the terms and conditions. Agree. Okay, so now it says shared settings. So it wants to share my location, find my iPhone, Siri, and analytics. So I'm gonna press OK. Apple Watch passcode. Okay, so for obvious reasons, I won't be posting my Apple Watch passcode. So I'm gonna create my passcode. Okay, so now it says heart health. Apple Watch can help you look after your heart. I heard that the Apple Watch, the Series 4, has been so good with like analyzing the heart and stuff that it's kind of seen as like a medical device. Add cards to Apple Pay. We'll set this up later. Emergency SOS. Continue. Okay, so it's saying here, cellular setup. When your Apple Watch is not connected to your iPhone, yep, set up cellular data. Almost there. Thanks for waiting. Oh, so now I'm just installing the apps on my phone that are compatible with the Apple Watch. So it's just like, it's basically syncing with my phone and vice versa. It's almost done, guys. I'm so excited to look at the resolution of this. Like, okay, so we have something here. It says Apple Watch Basics. Tap to select and swipe to scroll and move. Press firmly for more options or to change watch face. Okay, done. Digital crown. Please return to the watch face. Press and hold to talk to Siri and turn to scroll and zoom or adjust. Okay. Side button. It press to show dock. Double click for Apple Pay. And press and hold for medical ID, emergency SOS, and power. And it's still syncing, guys. Okay, so far my Apple Watch is still syncing with my phone. It's still updating. It's taken about, I want to say, like 10 minutes for the whole process and counting. So it's not that bad, guys. Like, don't worry when you get your Apple Watch and you have to wait for it to sync. Don't worry, it's not gonna take that long, I promise. At least I hope not, because you know I'm still waiting. Oh, I heard about, did you hear that? Okay, so I just heard a little thing. Wow, it's so pretty. Unlock to view calendar. How do I unlock it? Wow, you guys, it is so pretty. Oh my god, look, it says the class I have tomorrow. How funny. Let's like play around with it a little. No new notifications. Okay. So beautiful. It shows my activity, my heart rate, workouts, music, timer, calendar, maps. This is so nice. So I want to see the different lock screens that they have. What is happening? Oh my god. Infograph, Siri, Explorer, the basic one, Breathe, Kaleidoscope, Vape. Wow. No, I don't want vape. Mickey. Honestly, I am so impressed with the Apple Watch. Like, it looks so nice, guys. Like, I am so excited to like test it at the gym, to do all the fun things with it. I do want to show you guys how the app looks like, so I'm going to have it pop up right next to me. Look at that, it's like we're looking at the same thing at the same time. So this is so cool. So the app will tell you like the different faces that you can choose from. It's going to show you like the notifications, has like face gallery settings, all that fun stuff. And you can even see like the faces in more detail. Oh wow, that one looks really cool, liquid metal. I'm probably gonna get the activity one because, you know, I really like am obsessed with seeing how much I work out. But the colors, the faces, this one is the one that I have been seeing like all over. This one looks really cool and I'm probably gonna use that one also because just the graphics just look absolutely amazing on this thing. These are all the apps that are available for the Apple Watch. Nice. I'm so far super impressed. All right, guys. So I hope you all enjoyed this video, and if you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up and don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe to my YouTube channels. I post videos very frequently, once a week, and apparently a lot more, as y'all can see. I want to take a little quick side note and thank you all so much. My page is growing so fast. All of a sudden, I'm really grateful for all the support and love I've been getting from everyone, from all my viewers and my friends and family. I love you guys. Leave any comments down below if you want to know more things about the Apple Watch. Do you guys want to see like a review of how it is working out with it? You know, all those things. I'm so excited. I will definitely film more for you guys, and I will see you guys on the next one. I'm just gonna go like this all the time, you know? Oh, and Dad, I love my birthday present. Bye!